Welcome to Review and Adventure Hub. Today, we're unboxing and exploring the incredible features of the 2-tier aluminum rust-proof dish rack with drain board spout tray and utensil holder. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen essentials or looking for a practical solution to keep your sink area tidy, this dish rack offers a sleek, functional design that delivers on both durability and style. Constructed from high-quality aluminum, this dish rack is designed to resist rust, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. Offers ample space for drying plates, bowls, and glasses on the top, with additional room for utensils and smaller items on the lower tier. Comes with a firm plastic cutlery holder that keeps your utensils organized and within reach. Features a plastic draining board and channel system that directs water away from your countertop, keeping it dry and mess-free. Equipped with scratch-resistant feet to ensure stability and protect your sink or countertop surface. This 2-tier aluminum rust-proof dish rack combines functionality with style, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to keep their kitchen sink area neat and organized. Its lightweight yet sturdy build, coupled with practical features like a draining spout and removable utensil holder, make it a top choice for modern households. Thank you for watching this unboxing and review of the 2-tier aluminum rust-proof dish rack. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Review and Adventure Hub for more honest product reviews and unboxing videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. See you in the next video.